Hi everyone, welcome to Edith Tech Treasure. I am Edith, and on this channel we uncover valuable tech knowledge, AI tools and digital skills that help you work smarter. In today's video, I will show you how to partition a hard disk in Windows 10 and Windows 11, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Please don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be able to create new drivers like D or E, even without installing any software. Let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly understand what disk partitioning means. Disk partitioning is the process of dividing one hard drive into multiple sections. For example, instead of having only one drive C, you can create drive D or E to store your files separately from Windows. This helps with better organization, data safety, and makes it easier if you are installing Windows or you buy a new laptop or a new computer and you want to separate different drives. Like C is for apps and also softwares. Then you can create D with other works, or you can add on E for simple files like photos and others. D for games and your projects. Now, before partitioning your disk, please make sure you back up your important files. This method is safe, but backing up your data is always recommended. Let's go. First, right-click on your Start button. From the menu, click Disk Management. This tool allows you to manage all drives on your computer. Now look for Drive C, which is usually the main system drive. Right-click on the drive and select Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space can be reduced. Here you will see a box asking how much space you want to shrink. The number is there, it's in megabytes.
Type 50,000. Once it's done, they will shrink.
Click on the unlocated space, as you see here. Then click New Simple Volume Wizard. It's the size, or you click Next, and then assign that letter, or sometimes it comes automatically, like my letter D will come, or E, you put on E. Then select NTFS, then finish. Then open this PC and you'll see new drive listed alongside drive C. Avoid shrinking the system drive too much. Don't format the wrong drive. And always keep your system drive with enough free space for Windows updates. That's drive C. Also, it's a good idea to keep your personal files like videos and documents on a separate drive. This keeps your data safer and your system organized. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment if you want more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.